This is the view of MEP work at the basement floor. This building, it is around 30 floors and it has 4 floors for basement 1 to basement 4. So for this building we use this brand of jet fan to make the air system in this building at the basement. So we try to explain and review the installation and ventilation in these buildings. So here we are sketch and view about the component of the jet fan to be used. Yeah, it is very good and very excited to view all the component here. And here it is the packing area. We saw a lot of system and main work of MEP that we installed here, like the exhaust fan, fresh air, even though the alarm system and a firefighting also installed properly at these basements. Normally for the big buildings like this, we install a really large systems, and this is the fresh air. We install the fresh air to support the basement floor, and here we view about the motorized dampers. It is automatic, open and close by the BMS. So this is the overall views, and we are showing all the big duct system that we installed to support for fresh air at the basement floors. Here you can see the scale detail about our ductings. Yeah, it is very difficult to install all the very big duct system. We need to do testing, do the air balance of the airflow, balancing. We try to do everything that it is very difficult work until we can pass the inspection from the owner. It is very hard work for MEPs. So it is the very good visuals here. You can see all the style and the step of installations. Okay, here we just review some detail about our system for ventilation here. Thanks for watching the video for today.